How to cancel a purchase on eBay. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to cancel your purchase on eBay, you may follow up the steps. So open up the eBay application and sign in into your account. And you may just head over and go ahead and request cancellation because the seller should accept the request and then only you will be able to cancel that. So go over to the My eBay section, tap on it, and once you are there, you will be finding this right here, and you may just head over and look out for the option called purchases, your order history, and tap on it. After you do so, here you will be finding all of your orders. You may just go ahead and select the specific order you wish to cancel and select the more options drop down menu and choose cancel this order. Just go ahead and tap on cancel return or order. After that, provide a reason for cancellation and submit the request, and the seller will be notified of your request and has the option to accept or decline it. And just go ahead and do so, and that is how you basically cancel the purchase. But if the seller has already shipped the item, they cannot cancel the order. If you purchase multiple items in one order, you will need to cancel the entire order, not just the individual items, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to cancel purchase on eBay, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.